This video is going to take you through an overview of custom reports and dashboards in Stok.ly. Our custom dashboards and reporting is built on Power BI. Power BI is a free Microsoft product. It plugs into Stok.ly just as your accounting or e-commerce channels plug in. So it's just plug and play. And then you have access to every data point to build reports and dashboards. When you open your account with Stok.ly, we'll provide you with a number of standard report and dashboard templates, and these are easy to modify, and we are here to help you create any reports and dashboards that you may need. Power BI is extremely well documented, and if you look on YouTube, you'll find many tutorials and videos on how to use Power BI. Now, if we have a look around Power BI, you'll notice that it replicates an Excel document in that we have tabs along the bottom, and we can click between the tabs. Each of these is a report. Permissions and roles all filter through to the report, so you can control who sees what and indeed who accesses which reports. You can see that we can use a mix of styles within a report. I can change the colors nice and easily. When we look to the right here, we can see firstly filters. So I might decide that I want to add in a filter by channel name and only see the data for my Shopify channel. So you'll see that that's changed when I unclick that. So it's very easy to add in extra levels of filters. Visualizations, this is how we would build different charts. And there's a large choice on what types of charts you use. And here is every data point that's available in Stok.ly. So if we just come down to say items, you'll see that all these item data points are available to build your reports and dashboards from. These are pulled through automatically. So here we've got a nice overview dashboard. We can use charts. When you're looking at charts, we can filter by date, so might go into advanced filtering. We can look at dates, times, hours, what have you. Or we might just change the number of days that this report is referencing. We can have a look at the performance of team members, gross sales across all your channels. You can click in and out to filter for specific results. You can have a combination of tables and charts. There's also a number of interesting visual reports that we can create. In this case, these are the items that are due to be delivered on each sales order on a map. So that could be sales by region, open goods out notes to be delivered, whatever the information is that you need. It's also very easy to create reports. So let's just create one quickly. I'm going to create a table report. And now let's add in the item name. We can have a look at the item sale price. It's the quantity we've got on hand, and so forth. You can build out reports very quickly and easily using Stok.ly custom reports and dashboards. Now, we've got our reports, but we'd like to see them on our mobile. So here we can lay out how we'd like to receive the reports on our mobile. And then you can just drag and drop and create the formatting of the reports as you'd like to see them. So you can see it's very easy to quickly build any reports that you need. It's easy to customize existing templates. You can push the reports through to phones and format the reports just the way you want to see them. And you have access to every data point in Stok.ly automatically pushed through to these reports, from which you can create any custom reports and dashboards that you need for your management team, finance, warehouse, sales, so forth.